Hi, my name is Sebastian Jimenez. I'm the Director of Business Operations here at Bright Brass. If you're unfamiliar with our company, we provide metal refinishing, wood restoration, and electrostatic painting for commercial properties for over 30 years. Today I wanted to talk to you specifically about a new product that we've been using. It's an antimicrobial coating. This antimicrobial coating contains an antimicrobial surface modifier which inhibits the growth and spread of microorganisms and bacteria on frequently touched surfaces. It uses a nitrocellulose and a silver compound to combat against harmful microorganisms such as viruses, bacteria, fungi, and best of all, it's been proven in a laboratory to be 99.9% effective at protecting your surfaces from these harmful organisms. This product, once applied, is completely transparent and odorless. Not only that, it dries in minutes. It doesn't leave any sort of residue and typically needs to be reapplied once a year. This coating can be applied to door handles, doorknobs, elevator control panels, handrails, and basically any other frequently touched surface. You will no longer have to worry about wiping down and disinfecting your frequently touched surfaces, as the coating already does that for you. If you need us to visit your property and get a free quote, feel free to call us at 305-231-0324. You can also send us an email at brightbrass@brightbrass.com. Please follow and subscribe our page for more information regarding our services.